I don't know if you can see it, but I put a half a cup of corn oil in here, all right? Now, for those that don't know, corn oil is water soluble. Therefore, it'll mix with paint, and it gives your paint a better finish, and it helps to stretch your paint, and it oils your bristles of your brush. So, and that is a 1/4 cup per gallon of paint. 1/4 cup of corn oil per gallon of paint. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to professionally get started when you start painting. Okay, you want your runner, your drop cloth, all right, along the base of the wall. Okay, all right. Okay, you want your paint bucket in front of you, all right. Now, this strainer, this screen is a little too narrow for this roller cover. It looks like it might work. Alright, you knock off the excess so it's not dripping. Alright. Hang it a little bit. Alright, and I get that knocked off. Now, you're going to notice I am going to hold this roller upside down. Alright, now we're going to go to just above the floor and up. I want to show you another trick. I'm going to tell you another trick here in just a minute. Alright? You see I turn my roller around so that the bar, alright, becomes my leading edge. Now there's something I'm doing right now that I'll explain to you here in a few minutes, all right? Then you come back over here, move this back out of our way. Now this is a painter's trick of the trade, all right? This is the trick of the trade what I'm doing, and I'll tell you what else I'm doing here in a minute, all right? Okay, you get right down as close to the bottom as you can. All right, you really want to keep it off your runner. All right, now, get this. Now, there's something that I'm doing. Now, you come in here and catch the bottom, just like this, all right? Come all the way through, all right? Now, as you see, I worked that all the way to the corner, all right? And when you get to that corner, you turn your leading edge, the bar, around, you get right into that corner. All right, you just kind of work it. Okay? All the way across. Now, I come in and I can brush that bottom in, no problem, quick and easy. Now, we dip again. All right, now like I said, you want your bucket always in front of you. All right? So, now we're going to come around and we're going to catch this edge, all right? We're going to show you right here real quick. Okay. Bring this back out of the way. Now there's something else, like I keep saying I'm doing. I'm not telling you what it is yet. Okay, you get right down that edge. Now we come up. All right, so as you can see, right? Now if I had my drop over here, I'd bring it further down. But you see, I can still take my 3-4 inch brush and catch and cut in that edge. All right. Now, the other thing you can do, take this, all right, push it in at the bottom, bring it up. All right? Bam. Okay? Work that in. Done. One and done. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. All right. All right, now we want to bring this up, about so high, all right? So then, you bring it up about this high, all right? Flip this around. Now, okay, now what we do is we come back here, we re-dip. You don't want your roller to ever get dry. You always want paint. You don't want to finish with your roller dry. You don't want to dry roll. Now you get about so far away, all right, and you work it right into that corner, all right. Right up there to that edge, at the top. And again, the same principle applies as if we were on the floor. Coming up off the floor, the ceiling's just the reverse of the floor, right? Now I can get right up there with my brush and I'll be good. Now let's spread this out. Now what I'm doing, I'll show you what I'm doing here. All right. I'm putting a slight twist and I'm lifting up the edge, the back edge, or the front edge, depending on the direction you're going in. All right? So if I'm going forward, then I'm lifting the front edge and I'm floating this edge of the roller. I put by a little twist of the wrist. All right? Now, we're going to catch this over the window. Show you what I'm doing here. All right. Okay. Now. Okay, I've got over the window. All right, can you see that up there? Okay, now I've got some paint on the ceiling by accident. So you want a sponge handy or a wet rag or damp, barely damp sponge. Okay, we're just gonna wipe it off the ceiling right now. Do not give it a chance to dry. And you won't have to go back, touch up and paint it later. All right. There we go. All right. Bam, nice. Okay, we're good. All right. And that's how you do that. Okay? Okay, doesn't that look good? You'd be going, yeah, Ken, it looks nice. Good job. Well, let me show you something. This is why you do not dry roll. You don't squeeze the paint out of the roller. You always keep paint on it. You stop before you're squeezing it out. All right. This is called a holiday. Everything looks good, right? Now, we're coming along, and all of a sudden, what is that? It's bleeding through. No, it's not bleeding through. There wasn't enough paint on the roller. All right? And you got to look back behind you when you paint. As you're moving forward, you got to look back to see what's going on behind you constantly. All right? That way you don't leave things and you don't end up with this kind of stuff. All right? Okay, now when you twist the roller, that's on a smooth wall. You don't necessarily have to be so conscientious of that when you're on textured walls. That basically applies to your smooth walls when you put the little twist on the roller, you lift up the edge so that outer edge, leading edge, floats. Okay? That way you don't get those track marks on your wall. Okay, you see the bristles are dry on this side. Alright? This side, and it's loaded up with paint. Alright? This side, the dry side, is going to the ceiling. Alright? Painter's trick. Tricks of the trade here. The wall, bottom sides has plenty of paint. The other side's been wiped off. Alright, now I'm going to get this plenty of paint right up in here, really close. Alright? Then you want to push that paint. Alright, I'm tilting this down to the leading edge and I'm coming up. Alright, and you just bring it right along that edge and you keep pushing it up till you get it right into that corner. Then you use just the tips of your bristles. Alright, you fan out your brush. Alright, so you got it fanned out. Trying to get it up close and personal. Alright, and then you just bring it right in here. Alright, you see the tips of your brush. Alright, it just glides right along that corner. You want plenty of paint on your brush as you do this, alright? Okay, we're just going to come here, we're going to spread that paint. We're just going to get that paint right here, alright? Alright, now, I should probably re-dip, but I'm just trying to show you here, get just the tips of those bristles right into that corner. And catch it again. Squeeze out the paint right into that corner. And there you have it, all the way through. Okay? You just keep going in that method. Alright, now, I roll that edge right up into the corner, alright? The tip right up in there, then you just follow it, okay? Follow it right on through. Okay? Fan it out. Fan out your tip. Drag it along that corner. And you got it. Alright? Bam. See? There you go. We're good. Alright, now normally I would be doing much bigger area, but I'm trying to show you this up close and personal. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do all this at the same time, so show you from a distance. Alright, now I'll show you how I normally do this. Okay, hold my paint bucket. Alright, now you load this up. Drop the excess. Okay, now spread this along. Spread it out. Alright, load up your brush. Okay, bring it up right up into that corner and get it close. Alright, now you let the tips of the brush just kind of slide across the inside of that corner. Alright? Just like that. Done. Okay. now let's show that to you up close and personal. Okay. Now, okay, I need to go over some of that a little bit more, but you see it's right there. Okay, and that's how you do that. All right, now I've done all of this with the roller, all right? All of this has been done with the roller only. Okay. Now, see there's no holidays in here, except where I need to get along this edge there, all right? And I can just cut in with my brush. Okay, I have a 4-inch brush, okay, that I can use for the bigger areas, all right? You can also use that for cutting in when you get good. All right, so all that's been done with the brush up to where you see me cutting it in up here at the top. And I'm going to go live on that wall. We'll be going live. That'll be part 2. This is part 1. All right, tips and tricks of painting. How to paint like a professional. And tricks of the trade. Tricks of the trade. Painting like a professional. Turning that roller upside down, the roller handle, and catching the bottom edge first down here along this wall. Makes it quick and easy, as you've seen. And that's the first thing you want to do. All right. Okay, now this concludes part 1. Part 2, I'll be going live and show you a little bit more details, and you can just see it from start to finish. All right. Part 1, part 2 is next, going live. And remember, getting fit with Ken. Getting fit with Ken, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30. Tell a friend, I'm just one man on a mission. And, you know, this is for the young, the disabled, somebody that needs to get in shape, and for the bodybuilder that I can give a few inside tips to as well. It will help what you do. All right, see you there. Getting Fit with Ken, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 a.m. Tell a friend. Getting Fit with Ken.